I wanted to post a few videos on the restoration of my Siren 17 sailboat. So I'll just put some photos and kind of talk a little bit about what I've done. Hopefully it's interesting for people who like things like that. So this is the way the boat looked before I started. There was quite a bit of damage in the front. There was quite a bit of leakage up where somebody installed a hatch and the writing inside between the plywood. There was some delamination here, and the inside of the hull looked really bad. Delamination of the interior bunks and just very bad, pretty nasty shape inside of the hull. These are the bunks that are actually interior, and then the cabin was in a really bad shape. There was a lot of crackings in a gel coat.